Hey Nims, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some nail art I did inspired by Momiji's new doll, Toots. I think this doll and all of Momiji's other dolls are absolutely adorable, and I wanted to do some nail art based on it like I did for one of their Halloween dolls. So I started out this design with my favourite base coat, Peel It by Barry M, and then painted my nails alternating blue and white using Cotton and Damson by Barry M. Starting with the face of the doll, I put 2 coats of Barry M's Mani mask over the white, which is like a sheer nude pink, because I think it makes it more pale skin tone rather than just using pure white. I used black acrylic paint and a thin nail art brush to paint on 2 half circles for eyes, and then added 3 tiny lines to the outside for her eyelashes. Using Miami by Barry M, I painted a small triangle in between her eyes to be her mouth. Next, I painted a small section of the top of my nail using Damson, which is the colour I used for the blue nails. I then added 2 oval shapes using In a Heartbeat by Barry M underneath each of her eyes. Back using the black paint, I added a small square of black into the middle of her forehead and painted 2 curved lines coming out of either side so that they could be her hair. I then filled that in, and then finally I added a small yellow triangle from the top of my nail into the middle of her hair to be the bird beak. Onto the blue nails, which are the bird's eyes. Using Miami and a dotting tool, I created an oval shape in the centre of the nail which carried out to one side. I did 2 of these nails and they mirrored each other. After filling that in, I used cotton to create a circle in the middle, leaving a small area of pink around it, and then repeated that with an even smaller circle of black inside the white, finishing with 2 different size white dots inside the black circle. On my little finger and thumb, I decided to create the doll's wings. So using a dotting tool and Love is in the Air by Essence, I put a line of dots horizontally across my nail and then filled in the area above the dots. I then repeated this slightly higher up using Miami. And I finished off this design with a layer of Matte to Meet You top coat by Essence. I love Momiji dolls. I don't own any, but I think they make super cute nail art. Do you like Momiji dolls? If so, which one is your favourite? Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, and happy nail painting.